If your webinar launch is pulling in less than 2 times your return on ad spend, even after trying Hormozi style ads, this one simple campaign might be the missing piece. And in the next 3 minutes, I will show you how to build the kind of trust that makes your ads convert without changing your offer or spending a penny more. Hello, I'm Tina from tinasandford.com. Now, since the end of 2019, my son Dan and I have been turning inactive leads into book calls for online coaches without changing their offer or increasing their ad spend. And in every video right now, I'm going to share with you a strategy that works with you right now. Okay. Now, if Hormozi's recent launch inspired you to turn your ads back on, you're not alone. But if your webinar ads are still stuck at under 2 times the return on ad spend, there's likely one big reason why. Okay, right now, many business owners are actually copying a strategy, you might have noticed, and they're running webinars, they're stacking value, they're pushing bonuses, using countdowns. And then when it flops, they start tweaking their funnel, rewriting copy, or worse, shutting the whole thing down after spending all that money. But here's the truth, yeah? Hormozi's success didn't just come from the strategy he's just shown you. It actually came from the brand he's built. I want you to think about this. 3 years or more actually of helpful content. He's been spending $70,000 per month in brand spend. He's written 3 books and no direct offer until now. And his audience already trusted him, and that's what makes his ads work. And if your brand isn't there yet, you need a way to build that trust before people will hit your funnel. But here's a strategy that we use with every client, okay? So Goodwill video ads. It's a real simple, low budget that builds your audience fast. And here's how it works. The first thing you do is you record a 3 to 5 minute video teaching one specific step from your process, something real, something helpful. Solve a tiny but a real problem that you know your ideal client has right now in real time. Step 2, you're going to run that video as an ad with no call to action button. If you want to start conversations, just mention that you have a free resource that expands on the strategy. And then just invite people to comment or DM you if they want to. And then step 3, just let that ad run for 7 days. You're going to track your cost per 25% video view. And everyone who watches 25% or more, they instantly become part of your warm audience on Facebook. They do it for you. The platform does it for you. You don't see their names, but that's the beauty. There's no funnel, no forms, no follow-up, no chaos, no work. And then you just retarget them with your offer ads later, right in their feed where they're looking already. And this works because you're warming people up before making the pitch. And you could build a list of 350 to 500 warm leads every single week, spending just a $5 a day. Now, we've already built an audience of over 19,000 since February this year, using this exact method at just 21p per warm lead. You want to create one of these Goodwill video ads for yourself? You can grab our Goodwill video ad framework I've got right here, and it walks you through creating your first video under 30 minutes so you can start warming up your audience this week. Now, this framework helps you to create powerful, watch-worthy content, because that's important, that builds trust. And it'll fill up your invisible list. And it sets your offers up to convert without you having to burn through your ad budget.